morning friends, today's experiment is on earth pressure. The materials you need are a bottle filled with water, a bowl and a pin. First step is to take the bottle and poke the pin in the bottle. But be very careful to poke it. I had poked a pin in the bottle. Now take the bowl and keep it over here. As you can see that the water is not coming to the bowl because no pressure is pushing the water outside. But when you apply some force to push it, you are applying a force to push it. And now you can see that the water comes out. Because of the pressure that we make, the water comes out. But if there is no pressure, then the water does not come out. Now I open the cap of the bottle. Now you can see that the water comes out because the pressure of the air pushes the water inside the bottle. That's why the water comes out. But when you close the cap very tightly, you can see that no water comes out because no pressure is pushing the water outside. Thank you friends.